Okay, so yeah, today we are going to start with the next topics of arrays. So is the last class we have discussed about why we need arrays and like what is the use of arrays, and we have so many array methods are there. Okay, so we are going to be discussed one by one. Okay, so array means what? So array is to store the data in the groups, or else array is a special variable which can hold more than one value. So earlier what we are doing, so I am using a let x equals to Virat, like that. If you want to store the names, we are doing like this. Okay, so now, so instead of storing like this, so let y equals to something. So instead of storing individual values, so I will take a one array. Let's say this is a Rohit. So if you want to store the all the values, so you are going to be store in the one variable. So like that array. So array means to store the multiple values in the array. Okay, then hello. Yeah, yeah. Sorry, sorry. How it's visible? Yeah. Okay, simple thing like what is the array means to store the more than value and to store the similar type of data. You can say it, or else at least you can say to store the multiple values. We are using a array. Then I want to create an object. Okay, I want to create an object of type of array. So I am going to be create an object with type of array, and I am passing names here. So I want to pass the numbers. So let's say this is the array. I will just change this array name with the cricketers. CRIs cricketers. Okay, and I want to store their centuries. So Virat is 100. Rohit is something 40. ABD is something 46. Chahal is something 10. Okay, so this is the array of type cars is I will change to the centuries. Control C, Control V. Got it. So here what happens? So I have created the cricketers array, so which can store the names, and centuries is type of a number array. So you can store the string array or a number array. Okay. So if you want to, you are going to be see the cricket board, right? So scoreboard and everything. So how it is showing? So it is showing with this array only. You are going to see the ice. Okay, just I will go here. 2000, 2024 IPL match uh, points table. Okay, see, this is the same array only. This is how it is printing. It is printing with a one array. What is this one? That array serial number and icon, image, and matches 12 and 1 9 lost 3 uh, net run rate this one points this one so lost this is a icon. So if you want to store this one, so this is going to be stored in the arrays. Got it? So this is how we are going to store means, so this is a we are going to store with the arrays. So how the array will be stored? This is stored into one array and the second one is in the second array. So like that, as like I store the name array, right? So it is going to be store the arrays. So just I want to show here how to display. So constant there is a points table equals to, okay, bracket. So here key pair value will be stored, that is a JSON data. So you are going to be learn. So what is the name? Team name is KKR and okay, serial number let it be, and M is what? Matches. How many matches? 12. How many one? 9. Okay. How many one? 9. And how many lost? 3. Okay. So net run rate is, what is the run rate? Plus 1.428 plus 1.428. Okay, so this is a one array. So if you want to store a multiple arrays, so you are going to be use a comma array within a array, bracket, control V. So this is the second array. So like that, so RR. So this is how it is going to be stored. So this is the JSON data. So how it will be there, I'm going to be show you in the coming sessions. So how the JSON array. Wherever you are going to be see the cricket arrays or anything, no, so there you are going to be discussed in the what you can say arrays. So this is the, see, if you want to see the image Virat Kohli, Royal Challengers and everything. So this is the how it is going to be showing the JSON array. So everything whatever you are going to be see in the any application. So this is also one JSON array only. So that's why you are going to be more concentrate on arrays. Okay. So this is the normal array. So JSON array is there. We will discuss in the coming session. So if you want to create an object or what to use, you have to use a new operator. Okay. So that is called a JSON array. Okay. So now I want to print a okay, cricketers list. Copy, Control V, Control S. So changing the index, I think we have discussed in the earlier cricketers. Okay, so I want to print the this one, control S, right click, open with the live server. It is going to be print the one array. Control Shift I, because we have using the console.log. See here, the Virat Shubnam ABD Chahal is there. So if you want to access a specific element, so you have to go with a specific index. So one more feature is like that. So array is always start with the index 0. So Virat is at the 0th location, Rohit is at 1st location, 2, 3. So if you want to access a ABD, what index you have to give? So this is a 0, 1, 2. So just I need to pass a 2. Control S will go here. See here, the ABD is printing here. So if you want to access the Virat Kohli, so you need to pass a 0. So what happens? For the cricketers array, for the index 0, it is going here and it is going to be print here. So this is how it is going to be print the Virat. Got it. So this is called a so if you want to access an individual element, so you are going to be use a this method. Okay. The next is if we want to display with a list, okay, as like it is going to be display here, no, this is a list of type of JSON array is there. So I want to print my cricketer array. Okay, so then how to do this one? So here it is, we have a cricketers array. Then what I will do, see, what I want to do here, I want to print this array in the list format. So what is a list? Unordered list, order list is there. So how to print this one? So for that, I will take a let correct length. I will take a one variable equals to, so what is the array name? This is the cricketers is the array name. I want to find the dot length. So what it will give? Cricketers dot length. It is giving the this array length. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. So actual index is 3, the values are 4. So now crick length is containing a value. Okay, the next what I will do, I will take a one more temporary variable to store the a value. What value? So I want to display within a array list. So sorry, a node or list or a list. So I will take a UL is a starting tag, and I want to do the for loop. So regarding loop, we are going to be discussed, no worries. Okay, for uh, let I equals to 0, because it is going to be start with a 0. Then I less than cricket crick length. Crick length, it is containing the actual number of elements. Okay, so then comma I plus plus, sorry, plus plus. So here what happens? So I will take a txt as a temporary variable plus equals to, I will take a list item. So for that, li is a starting tag. So then, so here what we have to do, we need to print every element by element. So li is there. Now uh, cricketers of I, then li. So then document dot write of text. So I will add a break here. The array loop is cricketers array loop is txt. Will go here. See here, Virat, Shubnam, ABD, Chahal. So it is going to be displaying like this. Got it? So if you want to display this one, so same thing here 2023. This is also list only, but they are passing this image also. If you use the image also, it is going to be print the image as well. Okay, so this is called a looping an array. So why we need a loop? So whenever you have a n number of a data, you want to go through the database, that is called a loop. So where it will come? So if you're going to see the attendance in the what you can say in the college or in the school, every day they are going to be called that list. So that is called a loop. Loop means what? So continuously you are calling the, or repetitively you are calling the, what you can say, are arrays. Okay. So basic array methods we are going to be discussing here. This is very important, I am telling. So you have to be see, you should understand the concept. Forget about a sentence or whatever the thing. You have to understand what is an array means. So array means to store the multiple data. That's it. So then index 8 dot html. So how to display the array? Either you can use the document.write console.log or a for loop. What is a loop? Loop means was continuous or continuous iteration. So just h2 the array methods. Okay, basic array methods. So now what I want to do, I want to print the arrays. So first one is what? Array method. So constant, I will take a yours name only. Students equals to bracket Dhaneshwari and Karthik Puneet and uh, okay like okay, so I will take these names, okay, for a demonstration purpose. So I want to find the length. So how to find the length? Let x equals to students dot length. So what it will give? It is going to be print the length of the array. So I will use a document dot right of bracket. So I need to add as one break. What is the break tag will do? It will break the line. The array length is, what is the variable? Here I have already used a x. So I will use a x. So save it, right click, open with the live server. See, see here it is the 5 is there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you want to print this one array, Control C, Control V. So I want to print the array. X of 5 means it will not print. Sorry. X of 5 means it will not print. See, it is showing a undefined. Y means the length is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. But index is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want to pass this one, 4, now it will print the Mahadev. Still it is a error. Why? Yeah, sorry. I need to pass the students here. Control S. First we'll go here, 5 here. Control S. Say undefined. So if I pass the 4, now Mahadev is printing. Then how it will be like that? Okay, you are telling that array length is 5 and a student of 5 means it is not printing means yes. Always array what it will do. Keep in mind, okay, this is very important. If you want to store the value, okay, so if you want to store the value, let's say this is the one array. So that array is having a something 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here how many blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. But the array, what it will do, it will index will be 0, 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Actual item is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. But it is starting with the index 0. That's why it here it is a 4. So array means arrays always it is stored with the index value 0. Why we need an index? To fetch the element. I want to fetch the this element means I need to pass the array name with the index 2. Okay, so that's why. So array index is a 4, total value is a 5. Why? Because it is going to be start with the index 0. Okay, so JavaScript toString method. Okay, what is a string? String means what? So this is a string, but it is inside the array. So if you want to print this array means in the string. Now it is an array because it is enclosed with a square bracket. So I want to print in the string method. String means, so how to do? So I will use a document dot write off. I will add a one br tag to break the line. The array, what is that one? ToString method. ToString, what it will do? ToString, it will convert your array into ToString method converts a array to string. Okay, so students dot ToString method. Control S. If I just go to the browser, sorry, not here. See here. So then you're not feel like there is a no difference here, but it is a this one is now it is acting as a string. If you not convert, it is act as an okay. Just I will print one more thing. So student of 4 means I will just use a I want to print a full students. Control S. So just go here. See, you are not finding any difference here. Here also same thing is there, but here also same thing is there. But here it is a string is of type array, and it is a string is of sorry, this is a acting as a pure string, but is a array of string this one. Why? Because so this is a normal array string and this is a normal string, so it is converted array to a string value. Okay, the next is the so JavaScript array add method. So this is introduced in the uh, like in the 2022. The last year they have introduced this one. So what it will do? So let x1 equals to sorry what is this one? Students dot at 0 1 2. So just I will pass the index to so document dot write of the add method in a JS. Okay, so then it is going to be print the what you can say um, x1 value what it contains. So for the student array at index of 2 what it is there, that is it is going to be stored in the x1, so that is it is printing here. Control S will go here. See here, Punit is there. So if you want to differentiate, just add a 1 equals to here. So it is going for the student array at index 2. What is the index 2? Zeroth location is Dhaneshwari, 1st location is Karthik, and 2th location is Punit. So that is why it is printing. If you want to print a Dhaneshwari, so you just pass the value 0. Because at the 0th location, the Dhaneshwari is there. That is why it is going to be stored in the x1. That x1 is going to be print. Control S, if you just go to the browser, now it is printing a Dhaneshwari. Got it? So how it is going to be print the by the index value. Okay, the next is a join method. So you are going to be find the array something called a Dhaneshwari, Karthik, Puneet, Suman, Mahadev, and everything. So I want to use some join methods here. What is the join methods? Okay, so now what I will do, I will take a let x2 equals to students dot join of star. Okay, right click, open with a live server. Now before that I want to print this one, document dot write of x2. What x2 contains? The x2 content from the students array, it is going to be join star. So after every element it is going to be join a star, so that is going to be stored into an x2. So that is what I am printing here. So I will add some concatenation here. Again I will use a br, means it is going to be break the line. The join method works as shown equals to control S. If you just go to the browser, see here, wherever it is there, it is going to be added a star in the, it is a replaced with a what you can say, uh, comma. See why we need, in a sense, you have a cross together data, you have a other data. Let's say you have a other data. How many other data is there in the India? 100 crore plus other data is there. Is it possible to do everywhere like that? Okay, keep a star or something like that. If you want to add a something called a differentiate. So how to differentiate? If you want to differentiate with the two dots, control S. So it is easy by coding. But if you want to do manually, means it is taking for 100 crores data. Is it possible? No. So like that, you have a 10,000 data also, it is not possible. That's why these are all the array methods are helpful. Okay, join. Okay, the next major methods is I want to add a element to the this student array, and I want to remove the element from the student array. Okay, the next is what? I want to add a one more name. I want to add a name. So there are two methods are called the push method and pop method. Okay, so that is we are going to be discuss here. The first one, what we are going to do, I want to remove this one. Okay, let x3 equals to students pop. Okay, I want to remove from the array. What is a student? Student is array. So I want to pop. Okay, so I have popped. So then after popping, what is the array? So for that, document dot write the after pop method. Okay, so this is the x3. The after pop method student. See, after the pop method, what x3 contains, it is printing here, and what student contains, it is printing here. So I will go here. See, the after pop method in JS, Mahadev is popped, and after pop method, Dhaneshwari, Karthik, Puneet, Suman is there. So it means it is going to be pop means remove. So it is going to be popped. Popped means it is removed. Okay, so that is called a pop. So this is a pop is done. Okay, the next I want to popped, then I want to push. Let x4 equals to students dot push. So what I have to push to whom? Okay, mm, I want to push something called Pavitra. So then now I want to print a document dot write bracket the array after push method plus so x4 and so here I will add my whole array students. Students is what? It's my array. Push means what? It is going to be pushed as an element. What is an array element? Pavitra. So where it is going to be pushed? In the right side only. Okay. So end of the array. So then the array after push method, what it contains? The x4 is containing a now Pavitra, and students is containing a so Jnaneshwari. After Suman there is a Pavitra is there. So let's see the output. See here. First what it is there? These are all the four elements. So what I have done? I have done pop. Pop means what? Remove. So then it is going to be pop the one element from the right side. So that is the Mahadev. And the array after push, I want to push the element. So then Jnaneshwari, Karthik, Puneet, Suman, Pavitra. So this is how it is going to be push the element. Got it. So this is how we are going to be add a element in the arrays. So this is called a push and pop. Okay. So here what happens? If you want to push the element, here it is adding. If you want to pop the element, you are going to be element. But what if I want to do from the starting location? So how to do from the starting location? So now my recent array is what? My recent array is containing a Jnaneshwari, Karthik, Puneet, Suman, Pavitra is there. So I want to remove from the starting of the array, from the starting of the array. So for that, I want to go here, let x5 equals to, sorry, equals to students dot shift. So same thing is there, control C, control V. The after shift method JS, what is the value? X5. X5 is containing a which method to be removed, and shift method what student array. So this method what it will do? It is going for the students array, and shift means it is going to be remove the first element. So that is stored into an x5. Clear? Then what it will remains? So after the Karthik, Puneet, Suman. Why? Because Mahadev is already we have removed here. So just I will go here, Control S. If I just go here, see here, Karthik, Puneet, Suman, Pavitra. Why? Because Pavitra is recently added. So earlier what happened? So earlier Dhaneshwari, Karthik, Puneet, Suman, Mahadev is there. So we have done a pop method, so it is removed. That's clear. Then we have used a push method. So push method in the we have added the uh, along with the Dhaneshwari, Karthik, Puneet, Suman, we have added the Pavitra as well. So again, I want to remove the element from the now my recent array is this one. So I have done the shift method. Shift method, what it will do? It will remove one element uh, from the starting. What is the remaining? The Karthik, Puneet, Suman, Pavitra. So that is it is going to be printed. Same thing. I want to push the one more element. So how to do? Let x6 equals to, see, we have shift means remove from the front side, unshift. Okay, unshipped. So unshipped, what it's going to be added? So I need to add a one more name, something. I will add a one more name, so that is called a Hema. Okay, so I will add some random name. So where it is going to be added? It is going to be added at the starting location of the array. Let's see. So what is the mistake we have done? I need to pass the student array first, because for the students array I want to unshift means I want to add at the start location of the array. So save it. If I just see here, what is my array? So Karthik, Puneet, Suman, Pavitra is there. I want to add a Hema as well to the my array. So let's see the array. Same thing I will copy, unshift method in the x6 and students. See, for the students array, it is going to be add at the start location of the array. Then it is a, what is the x6? X6 means which element to be added. It is going to be stored in the x6, and after adding what array it contains, it is going to be print like this. Save it. So unshaped means what? Add in the front side. Okay. See, Hema is added here. So what is the array of shipped and unshipped? Okay, so this is a, for example, let's say you have this array, okay? This is a one array is there. So if you want to add a add or remove from the front side, this is called a shipped and unshipped method. So same thing, if you want to remove or if you want to add, so this method is called a push and pop. Okay, so this is the Paka intro question. What is the difference between shipped and unshipped means? So shipped and sorry. So what is the difference between shipped and unshipped and push and pop? So if you want to add an element to the entry point of the array, then you have to go for the shift and unshift. And if you want to go for the exit point, add and remove element, then you have to go for the push and pop. So this is how you have to explain. Okay, so this is called a shift and unshift method. Okay, so what is the last array we have seen here? So we have seen here, this is the Hema, Karthik, Puneet, something like that. So I want to add an element for the specific location. Like after Hema, Karthik, I need to add one more name in between the Karthik and Puneet. Okay, how to do this one? So I want to go here, let, I think no need to pass the value here. students is my array for the location of 0 1. See, yeah, for the 0 1 2 at the location of 2, I want to pass the one more name. uh, so something, this is the name I want to add this one. So now I want to print a document dot write the after array after for a specific index is students. I will add a one break because it is going to be print with the same line. If you don't want to do so, you have to add a break here. See, after earlier is the Hema, Karthik, Puneet, Suman, Pavitra is there. So I have added a one more name, Raishwara, in between the Hema, Karthik, and in between Suman, Pavitra. So this is how to add for the specific location. Okay, so there is a this is how we can say the element. So I want to delete this element. So how to print? How to go? I want to delete this element. So for that, uh, let x7 is a one more variable. Students of okay, not this one. Delete of students of what is the index? This is the index 2. So I want to delete this one. So the after, see, after delete method in a JS, that is a x7. After a delete method, the array. So just go here, save it. We'll go here in the browser. See, the after delete method in JS is true, means it is deleted. After a delete method array is a Hema, Karthik. So here it is a comma is there. So if you want to just see here, got it. See here, the method is Hema, Karthik, but here it is a deleted. Here the value is true. True means what? It is deleted. And Suman, Pavitra is there. But here it is a one blank space is created. Okay, so that is called a array element. Okay, so that is a delete. So if you want to add a one array to the another array, so how to do? So I might have a one more arrays. Copy, Control V. Student numbers. So here I might have some numbers like that. I need to combine the name array and a number array. So this is the number array. So I want to concat each other. So how to do? Document dot write of students number dot concat of students. So I will just add some comments here. The concating of two array is, I will add a BR tag so it will break the line. Save it. We'll go to here. See here, number is there. After number, this is the string is there. Okay, so this is called a concatenation. Okay, so this is today is enough for the string method. See, whatever I told you, just prepare for that one. So that is for your life